This is our final example in section 6.4 on logarithmic functions, and this is an application problem. The loudness, L of x, measured in decibels of a sound of intensity x, so x is a measurement of intensity, measured in watts per square meter, defined as, so here's the log function that defines it, L of x equals 10 times the log base 10 of x over I sub 0, where I sub 0 equals 10 to the negative 12 watt per square meter, and that's the least intense sound that a human can detect. A particular Boeing 747 jetliner produces noise at an intensity level of 23 watts per square meter. So remember, x is the intensity, so they just told us x is 23. Find the loudness rounded to the nearest hundredth in decibels for this noise. So our function is L of x equals 10 times the log of x over I sub 0, but they tell us what I sub 0 is, so that's not a variable, that's 10 to the negative 12. Okay, but now they're telling us what x is. We're to find L of 23, so that's going to be 10 times the common log, log base 10, of 23 divided by 10 to the negative 12. So this is just a calculator problem. So this is 10 times, as you evaluate that, you should get, I'm going to write this out for a few decimal places, 13.36172. The trick to getting correct answers when you have to do rounding in MyMathLab is to use several decimal places before you get to your final answer, because if you round too much as you go, you'll be off a little bit, and MyMathLab will just count it wrong. Okay, so this is 133.6172, or to the nearest hundredth. How many decimal places is that? 2. So 133.62, and the loudness is in, we're finding loudness. We're given intensity, we're finding loudness. Loudness is measured in what kind of units? Loudness measured in decibels. There's our units.